And this is what we're looking at here. Very cool stuff. So that's the main trail, and I got like an hour to go down there. I might go all the way, but these dogs need to eat, so we're gonna bring them in here somewhere, and then they're gonna eat and hopefully not get eaten by a large predator. I think a bobcat wouldn't be able to, like a bobcat could, but I don't think it'd be, you know, worth it for them to try and kill one of these dogs. Maybe Hilda, but Frida is a little thicker. Oh yeah, look at that. Campsites. I think this one goes to the water here. Like the swamp moss thing is just insane. I don't have a spare tire anymore. I don't know if I said that, but I just stopped carrying it around because it's so big. So if I get a flat, I'm screwed. But I really doubt I'll get a flat ever, because it's just, these tires are nuts, right? And then I got a flat. Flat. The sun is coming out over here. We stop to feed these guys. Whatever, hang out here for a little while. See what we can see here. Yeah, it looks like there's a trail here. I love this fucking place. What the fuck was that? I just heard something. I just heard like so much, I don't know, maybe bird noises and stuff, but it was like a but like a even lower, some weird bird. We're gonna walk down that path. I gotta get my bag ready, a bunch of shit, but these guys are eating. They sweat in no time. Eat the rest of your food, man. Every little noise and every little movement makes me go, huh. I wonder if I should bring the bear mace for sure, actually. I'm gonna fire up the GPS just in case. I got new batteries and everything. Okay, I give you guys permission to bark at anything that is out of the ordinary in this place. These guys are so like, I'm a dog, you know, I'm having fun. They're not mountain dogs. I'm not being stealthy right now because I want to scare off anything, but it's not a good idea to do, obviously. You want to be quiet if you're taking wildlife photography like that. It's a bad idea, but I don't want to get stuck up on by any cats. That's my main worry right now, is cats, because I don't want that to go down. Oh, shit myself. Okay, cats are a problem. But a guy said he saw a lynx not long ago, and I don't want a lynx to fucking try and come at like Hilda or something. Columbia, only like 30 minutes, 40 minutes out of town. It's all ripped up. Found the water. This is what I'm talking about. This is where I live now. Oh. Look at that. Let's go. I'm back. I just went to grab my rubber boots there. So now we're gonna cross. This is why I like rubber boots right here. Whoa. Sand is frozen solid. That's why I love the GPS though, because I can just go any direction and not get friggin' lost. Not always possible. You're not gonna always get lost. That's a rarity. But I mean, it'd just be better to know. Oh yeah, there's an opening over there. Okay, here we go, I think. Oh, it's all dried. I think it's a dry bit part of the river. Oh, there's the good part. Oh yeah, we got lots up here. Hilda, this way. Leave that, this way, come on. Let's go. This way, Hilda. Oh. Sand is, oh, holy crap. Is there like quicksand here? Hey, what are you rolling in? There's some footprints of someone with very small little feet. These trees and stuff here, all these ones are little guys, but I mean, they're even probably, I don't know shit about nature numbers and such, but I bet they're like, you know, over 50 years old, right? So then how old was this? Oh, there's a lot of ice cracking. How old was that? That tree, I don't know, count the rings, gotta be over 100 years old at least. 500 years? I don't know. 1,000? I don't know. I like this, I like open areas like this because I can see for birds and they just set up and I know where the dogs are, you know. I can't cross this river though, it's too crazy. I'm gonna get a sunburn again today. Man, that really sucked. I hate getting sunburns in end of January. 50 pounder. Charlie, go be wet over there, man. Spectacular out. All right, we're gonna move over this way a bit here. We're gonna go that way and check. See what we can see. So these dogs, they keep eating like random shit, right? And it's not even like the salmon run or whatever. When the salmon come, there's gonna be dead salmon everywhere, and they have like a, I don't know, something in them is poisonous. So these guys are gonna get so sick and die. And that's fine, because I told them not to eat them. Get a little cold, gotta put you down. Feel a little sick, gotta put you down. Yeah, look at this. Hey, what are you eating? What are you eating? Probably 1 billion waterfalls in BC. Oh, that moss is really cool. Yep. This place, I can only imagine how active it's going to be in the summertime when all those like bears for the salmon and everything. Whoa. Holy shit. This goddamn camera gonna kill me. These boots are also gonna kill me. This is not the right way. That way's the right way. Okay, go on. Good following, but too close, man. This tree, 1 million years old. This, I should not be going over that. No, I'm not. Watch out. Move. Move. How am I gonna cross this? Go under it? Backtrack. I found a safer way. What are you laying in the moss? Hopefully safer. All right. Bushwhacking every time. With this thing sucks. Like I could pack it up. Bushwhack fine, but I'm starting to sweat. I hear a birdie. Can't be mean to him. He's a dummy. He's a good boy dummy though. Look at him. Your eye is whack, dude. Charlie was sick. Charlie had an ear infection and an eye infection at the same time. Double whammy. Every time I bring these dogs, it's like $700. Because I have 3. Like an idiot. Once you break past like the top layer of ice, you kind of sink down. Okay, now we're gonna, it's like 1 o'clock probably, and we're gonna head back quickly, slowly, I don't know. We gotta go back around this huge, massive tree. But I packed up the camera because I just don't want to break it, man. Like I've come so close to falling so many times. Yeah, I'm carrying that camera, walking through this. Not a good idea at all. Just want to break it like the last camera lens. If I break another lens, I can't buy another one, no way. This one I had to like take out a loan to buy that one. That's crazy how expensive they can be. All right, so if I just keep going this way, hopefully I can cut through, bushwhack a bit. Always gotta beat it hard way back. Always gotta. What are you doing, Charlie? Leave your stick, man. Let's go. Holy cow. Oh yeah, there's a spider. It's freaking almost February. Come on, this way, Charlie. Where you going? Where are you at, man? Let's go. I'm gonna bushwhack a bit. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, wait. So this is what I was looking at. I was like, uh-oh. But right down there, there's some rocks we can cross on. Oh, sand is good to jump on. And I think that's the truck's in there somewhere. Oh man, I just sunk like pretty far, like a foot deep there, and almost lost my boot. I don't know, we're not finding it shallow enough. Oh, Jesus. This is why you go back the way you came. How deep is this? Crap. Rubber boots. I love you. Hilda, you gotta go through this. I'm not carrying you, I'm not coming back.
Oh, good girl, come. It's okay. This is like the deepest she's ever been. Come here. Come on, man, look. Come on, Hilda, you gotta come this way, man. You can't go around. What the fuck? I'm not carrying you, man. Come on. Yes. Yes. Look at that. I was just looking at my GPS and it said this whole spot is like the center of the river, so normally I think it's flooded pretty crazy. Looks like it, you know, but damn. Well, no, it looks pretty shallow. We'll have to see. I don't know what that is. It's got claws. Maybe it's like one of those like little weasels or something. Yeah, that was, oh, it's got a little thumb, so I think it's a raccoon. Hey, you gotta do it again. Like one more time. Almost. Over the boot, almost. Fuck's sake. Oh, Jesus. Okay, this looks good. Now we gotta head that way. Look at the color. It's like green. Oh yeah, there's lots of raccoons. Ooh, what is that? That is like pretty big. I don't know. Maybe that's like... Well, there's no claws on that. Isn't that a cat then? Oh yeah, I don't see any. Not on like all of these. Walking the river here. Yeah, Frida just hurt her foot on something. It's dry. Hasn't rained in like 5 days. It's like rivers, man. Just a land of rivers. Come. Bugs are coming alive, man. I mean, I don't think there's that bad mosquitoes. You in the jungle, baby. You're gonna die. Pristine. You see a truck? Huh? 8 meters. What? It's not right. I hope I reset it in the right spot. Where's the truck? See it? Should be over here. Good, good doggy. Oh my God. Gotta be right up here. 50 meters. Okay. I see the truck, I see the truck. Fuck, man. I was like a little bit nervous, you know, you get a little excited, but it's like technology, you trust it, right? But like, I can't even see it from here. It's right dead ahead. That's crazy. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the truck through these trenches, random trenches. Come on, treats, let's go, treats. Treats, treats, treats.
Okay. You see me? So I'm in this spot here by the river. Cautious, but I don't have my shotgun on me or nothing. Or bear spray. They're in the truck, which is like 10 minutes that way. I should just go get it. But I want to set up, so this is my setup. It looks like it's going to be a little cloudy, but that's okay. Figure it out.
All right, that was pretty cool. That eagle's still sitting up there right now. He's looking at me. But I gotta go let the dogs out. And do a bunch of errands involving getting my apartment. So, yeah. Until next time. Bye-bye.